Hey everyone, Nick, First Class Home Inspection, your trusted home inspector in the Valley. So we're doing another inspection for one of our clients, buying from one of the iBuyers. So I want to take a look at something. So this home was built in '92, so the roof is 27 years old, tile roof. And you can see this is all water damage here, so there's some damage to the roof, and this is only one of the many areas I'll show you. We have missing tile on the edge here. Significant tile damage on the edge here. There's some more in the back as well. This tile here is broken right here, so water, rain's gonna go flush in here, get under the underlayment. You can see how much of the ridge line edge is missing here. So right here, I know it might be hard to see in the video, significant water damage underneath the tiles. So tile roofs are usually the cover tiles, good for like 50 years. But the underlayment's only good for 25 to 30 if it's been taken care of. In this case, it hasn't been. So this is going to need a new roof, which is going to be potentially thousands of dollars. And whether or not the iBuyer will fix it or not, that's another question. But my job is to point out the issues. So here's the valley flashing. You can see all the deterioration along the valley flashing. So it's about to fail. It's got full of debris here, which is going to allow it to back up. So here's the issue underneath here. You have this flowing down here and down here, and then underneath there, that's where we see a lot of significant rot. So somehow water is coming underneath here, shooting underneath there, and it's getting under the underlayment, so it's rotted out that plywood. So it needs to be redone in this whole area. So for this client, we're going to definitely recommend a new roof or have it evaluated by a roofer, but the conditions are conducive to needing a new roof. So we're potentially saving our client thousands of dollars. So the home inspection value is priceless. Our contact information for First Class Home Inspection, 623-680-0707, firstclasshomeinspection.com. We'll see you next time.